Welcome back to my channel. Do you have any fake dirty jewelry laying around that needs cleaned? If you're interested in seeing a simple way to do this with products you probably already have, just keep on watching. So here I'm just showing you a before. This is an earring that I've had for quite a while. A lot of my fake jewelry turns like this greenish color, and a couple pair of earrings I've tossed because I didn't think there was any real way to clean it. I didn't even do a Google search actually. A couple of these I was considering tossing, and it just dawned on me to go ahead and try to clean it with some acetone nail polish remover. So I took a cotton ball and cleaned it up, and this one on the left here is the one that I already did. It's all clean, and I will show you what the cotton ball looks like. So here you can see the green stuff that came off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to some of my other jewelry and then show you what it looks like. And sorry about the quality of this video, you guys. This was filmed on my phone, which was just propped up on my countertop, so it's not the best quality, but it does show you how well this works. Here you can see just how much got removed from the earring. And next I'm just going to clean the back side of it. That is it for these earrings. They are all done, and now I'm just going to show you the before once again of all the other pairs of earrings that I have, and then I'm going to go through and clean those and show you exactly what they look like afterwards. And here they are all done and look as good as new. I'm so glad I found out this trick because now I don't have to toss any of these. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.